Today we're working on rolling. So what we're going to do is start lying flat on our back, and we're going to roll even if you have only room to roll once in one direction and then back again. That's fine. That's really all the space you need. Let's start off in what we call the star. Star position with your arms straight, your legs straight, and we're open. Next we're going to cross one arm underneath the other because we want the hands and feet to constantly stay in contact with the ground. So in order for me to roll onto my belly, I have to slip one arm underneath the opposite arm. Now I'm twisted, right? But I'm in a star. I call this the twisted star. Then we're going to slip one leg underneath the other and we come into a prone star. We're on the belly. Let's just head back. We're going to reverse it, so we're going to slip one arm underneath the other, keeping hands in contact with the ground. We're in the twisted star, then supine star. Let's go to the left. You're going to have to slip your left arm under your right. It's a twisted star, a prone star. Now we're going to again slip one arm underneath the other. Twisted star, really stretch out from your fingertips and through your legs, reach them apart, and then uncross the legs. So watch me here if it's a little bit more smooth, but do reach for your star in between each rep. Maybe I can give you one more roll here. There we go. So there we have the rolling drill into star position. Let's try another great roll. I call this one a push and pull. Check out the arm position on this one. This is how it will look. You'll start here, and you're simply going to roll over with your legs leading. Then you're going to end up reaching with one arm, pulling yourself towards that arm and pushing away with the other. It's basically going to look something like this. Something like. Okay, you're going to roll, push, and pull away. All right, so let's go ahead and start off here, back into a star position, but arms hugged into your chest. Now we're going to cross the legs first. One leg slips underneath the other. I'm going to reach with the top arm, really reach away from the body. I've still got my right arm in tight to my torso. I'm ready to push over. I'm going to push with my right arm and pull over to my left. Notice what happens with this left arm though. I've reached, now I'm going to start folding my torso over top of that arm. Like I've got a little kitty cat in my arm and I've got to protect it. So I've got to hold the kitty cat and roll safely over. I'm right at the edge. Okay, we made it. Right there. Let's head back. So we'll cross the legs first. The arms are into the torso. I'm going to reach with my right arm. But my left arm, see, it's turned palm to the ceiling. When I'm ready to push through my left arm, I turn the palm to the ground so I can push away. And I've cradled my little cat, and I'm going to roll it into my chest. Got it? Let's give it a try again. Cross the legs first. They stay in contact with the ground. I'm going to reach with my left arm, turn my right palm to the ground, push away with my right arm. I could use a little more space. Here we go. Let's head back. I'm going to reach with my right arm. We're going to cross the legs, reach with the right arm, turn the left palm down to the ground, and push away with the left arm as we uncross the legs. One more time. Good job. Okay, next move. We're going to go from a star position to fetal position. We've got to slip one arm underneath the body. It's got to go something like this. In order to slip under, you're going to end up turning the palm and placing it underneath you. Okay? Something like this. but we'll give it a shot. Here we go. Let's start off lying on our back. We're going to cross with the legs first. Pull your right elbow in nice and tight to your waist. Remember, hands are in contact with the ground, feet are in contact with the ground. Now we're in a fetal position. And I've got to slip my bottom arm underneath my waist. Slipping it under. Now I'm back into a big star, but not arms overhead, arms in T position. And then I'm going to slip now my left arm underneath the body. Notice what happens. I turn my left palm up to the ceiling. I'm going to bend the elbow and create a little space under my waist so I can slip my left arm under. And the arms continue to cross through, my legs stay crisscrossed. So I end up in the twisted star. Then I can uncross the legs. Got it? Let's try it again. Start with the legs. Keep the feet in contact with the ground. Crisscross the legs. Now I've got to slip. I'm going to come into fetal position. So one arm must circle over the head. The other elbow pulls in tight to the hips. We fold in tight. Now I've got to slip my left arm under my waist. See it coming out. Finally rotate through the shoulder, turn the palms down to the ground. Then I'll turn my right palm up to the ceiling so I can slip my right hand underneath my waist. Woo! Try again. Fetal position, elbows into the body. Slip the right arm under the body. Come into your prone position. Turn the left palm up, bend the left elbow. Be nice and soft on your bony protrusions. Don't hurt yourself. And let's come back here. Okay, now these drills can take some practice. And if you have a nice long hallway, just try shooting straight down the hallway, rolling your way all the way through. You should not actually end up rolling and twisting. You want to try to direct yourself straight down as if you have one straight hallway, because you want to position your rolls and kind of align yourself so that you can keep moving straight, and it's kind of an equal rotation of both the hands and the feet. That takes some practice too. At first you might find that you're kind of rolling around in a circle, but try to get straight, straighten it out. Another thing to mention, now I'm on a matted surface, but I first learned to do these drills on a hardwood floor. And that means that you have to learn to be really nice and soft on your bones. That's what these drills are all about. Coming into hard surface, onto a hard floor with your hard body, but being soft about it. Okay, so it requires finding your way to kind of position your body and maneuver in such a way that you protect your bony protrusions. Protect your little kitty cats, right, that I mentioned. You kind of want to roll over things with as much ease and grace as possible. And again, that too takes some practice. But these are all drills that teach body awareness, teach you how to move in space and have an awareness as to where your body is in space and how to get through that position and into the next with ease and grace, as I mentioned, and without getting hurt. These drills are all about injury prevention. So be mindful when you practice these drills. Connect with your body, your mind and your body, and great things will come out of it. Well, thank you for watching some of these rolling drills. I've got tons more. I'll bring them to you little by little. Thank you for watching. If you liked this rolling video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.